All right. Did not expect to do another dyno ready reel so soon, but this one came in um, ready to tune, and let's just say it's not, you know. So we clearly got a misfire. Extremely lean as well. Could be related. Got cylinders 2 and 7 misfiring pretty heavily there. Yeah, let's check this thing out, see what's wrong with it, and get it ready to tune. All right, Kyle, so it's super lean, and it's missing on 2 and 7. So I guess first thing we'll do is smoke test it, check all the injectors and coil packs, and go from there. All right. I think that's one issue. That's shout out to Redline Smoke Pro. This thing gets used pretty much every day at this point. Smoke machine's hooked up. We already got some smoke pouring out. Right there. Pretty obvious one. And that doesn't look like a big hole, but something like that will throw the airflow measurements off pretty heavily, especially on a mass air setup. Basically anything after this sensor on a MAF setup that's leaking will be sucking in a bunch of air that's not getting measured by the sensor, so it doesn't add the fuel, so your car ends up running extremely lean, car, truck, whatever. This one also has an issue on that injector that's causing misfire. But yeah, we're gonna get this fixed and see what we need to do there and get this thing tuned. All right, so it's still running excessively lean. We're smoking it again, but we think we got her figured out. The old intake gasket's on backwards, which, as exciting as it may seem, is actually not the correct way to, do that, because it causes a massive air leak. It's also got an ignition coil circuit code on cylinder 7, so that's our next little adventure on another ready to tune vehicle.